So far, we've passed properties into components in a few different ways. We've used strings like Cindy and Amazing. We used this little date function. We also saw how we used a number. You could pass true or false. All of these are going to be passed via these JSX expressions. Only strings are going to be wrapped in quotes. But what happens if we have a different data type, something a little bit more complex like an array? Well, let's go ahead and create an array and try it out. So, first things first, we're going to, on line 46 here, create a list of dishes at our restaurant. So we could add black bean soup, we could add macaroni and cheese, and we could add salmon and potatoes. Remember, this is your restaurant, so obviously put your own favorite foods on your own list. Don't let me tell you how to run your restaurant here. Now, if we wanted to display this list inside of our main component, we would need to map over it. So let's go ahead and collapse our footer here. And then we're going to, inside of this section, let's go ahead and replace our paragraph with an unordered list. We're going to say that this UL should, inside of this, we're going to map over the dishes. So we'll say dishes.map. Then for each dish, we want to return a list item. And this list item should look like this. In it, we should add a dish. So let's see what we get. At the moment, dishes is just referencing this global variable called const dishes. So we can still render all of these values. Now, I actually want to access these values via props though, right? So it's going to it's going to be up to me to pass these dishes in this way. So we'll say dishes equals dishes. Now, this property we can reference off of props.dishes, and we should see the same output. So this is working as we expect. Hiding inside of our console here, we have a warning. So it says each child in a list should have a unique key property. So in the next video, we're going to fix this.